There's a whole bunch in here that you might want. Balls.
What you guys doing?
Mom, will you get that and hang it on this?
Emmy. Emmy. Emmy Lynn. Emmy.
Emmy, turn around and let Daddy see you.
What are you doing?
I'm hanging up ornaments.
Are you gonna have a Can you say Merry Christmas?
Some of them are not fixed right. I'm going to have to fix them.
Lars.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. What are you hanging up, Lauren?
Hey, look, you want to hang up
What
the
is
stocking?
An ornament.
A what?
And it's an ornament and a girl else is on it.
Oh, that's nice. Where are you putting it?
Right
Oh, I can't see.
here.
There, now I can.
You want to hang up the snowflake? Yeah. Are you out, Lauren? How many have you done? Oh, this one's a good one for Emily.
Where's Hal? What's Hal doing? Hi, Hal. You got a box for me?
Emily's getting pretty good at it. Here's one that I think you'd like to hang up.
Say Merry Christmas, Hal.
Just hook it over and bring it.
Hal.
Okay?
No Merry Christmas for Hal. Hal.
That's it. Hook it over.
Okay. Well, hang them up.
There you go. Now watch. Just gonna hang them down. Good, Emily. That looks so pretty. Let's see. I like this little bear one. Let's put it up here.
Hey, can you guys give me a Merry Christmas to all and all good night?
Merry Christmas.
Emmy.
Emily, what do you say to the camera?
Merry Christmas.
And Lauren, what do you say to the camera?
I want to hang up.
Hey, would you hang up this beautiful one? Hooray! Plans we made.
Walking in the winter wonderland.
All right.
I'm hungry.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and leave now. Y'all get your coats on and your mittens and stuff like that, and we'll get something to eat when we
You're trying to get on the table. Stop. I don't say hi. Until you come back and then go again.
The countdown started to the big Publishers Clearinghouse history. More prizes, more money, more chances. Watch for the house and enter fast because on January 31st, it'll all be over with the show.
And put your arms up. Cinch it. Cinch like that and go. Go, say, ta-da! Put your arms up.
Very good. Ta-da!